Hi, to remove the Drop HiFiMan Planar headphone driver, start by removing the AirPod, which needs to be unclipped from the housing. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew all the screws around the metal ring. After that, you can remove the metal ring. Next, on the other side, remove the plastic locking ring. Remove fabric filter and metal mesh. Desolder both wires, and then carefully push the driver out, and you can install a new driver or make any other modifications you have planned. But keep in mind that this driver uses incredibly powerful magnets. Keep all iron and steel tools far away from the driver, or hold them very securely. If a screwdriver gets pulled into the ultra-thin driver diaphragm, it will instantly ruin your headphone speaker. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments under this video, but for now, good luck.